Now I would request Ms. Kosha Champaneri to take over the further proceedings.
Thank you, Vidhi. We have gathered here on the occasion of World Environment Day. And without any further ado, I, Kosha Champaneri of SY, would like to move on to the next part of our program that everyone has been anxiously waiting for. Sir Vittal Das Thakurse College of Home Science Autonomous organized several competitions to motivate the younger generation who are the potential eco-warriors of our country. The competitions organized were poster making, poetry, rap making, video making, jingle making, and cartoon making. The themes of these competitions are urbanization, biodiversity restoration, role of industry in ecosystem restoration, water restoration, repairing the ozone hole, and planet pandemic. To widen the spectrum of talent and encouragement, these competitions were kept open for three levels of students. The first was grade 8th to 10th, the second was grade 11th and 12th, and the third and the last one was degree college, that is FY, SY, and TY. Now, let me introduce to you all the judges for all our competitions. Next slide, please. For the first competition, that's the poster making, our judges were Dr. Kamini Pradhan. She's the assistant professor of SVD College of Home Science. And we had Ms. Vipra Banerjee. She's the head of department for mass communication and extension. Next. For our next competition, that's poetry writing and rap making, we had Ms. Shubha Khandekar, a senior executive in the banking industry, and Mr. Prakash Navgiri. He's the assistant professor, Department of English. Next, please. For video making, we had Dr. Sudha Shrikant. She's the Board of Studies member, SVT College of Home Science, SNDT University, Mumbai. And Mr. Rohit Pawar, he's the Assistant Professor, Department of Mass Communication and Extension. Next, please. For jingle making, we had Miss Vishakha Patil. She's a passionate dancer, singer, and choreographer. We also had Miss Roshni Dange. She's the assistant professor for Department of Food, Nutrition, and Dietetics. Lastly, for our cartoon making competition, we had Miss Sarayu Kamath. She's a senior executive in the banking industry. And we had Miss Chetna Raje. She's the head of Department of Resource Management. We had the honor of having participants from different ages, from various institutions across the state to contribute to this noble cause. There is nothing more beautiful than coming together with a common goal for a better environment. To make a difference, to create an impact with our voices, opinions, and energy. Here's to all the young minds who channelize their creativity in so many beautiful ways. Now, I'd like to announce all the winners for the competitions. I request the winners to please switch on their cameras when I take their names. Let's start with the first competition, that's a video making competition. Video making is usually an electronic medium, and it is a very, very important tool for spreading awareness. Our prize winners for the grades 8 to 10 are: the first prize goes to Radhya Malivar, the second prize goes to Stav Day, the third prize goes to Avni Bhise. Now let's look at some of their work.
There's no sound, Kosha.
Sakshi, just unmute yourself too.
Grow and evening listeners, myself Raja Malabar. On this occasion of Environment Day, I have a significant topic to talk about: urbanization, reviving the lost ecosystem. Before starting, let's have a look at what is urbanization. Urbanization is the process through which cities grow and higher percentages of the population comes to live in the city. Most important, it will cause harm to our ecosystem. Now, what is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as weather and landscape, work together to form a bubble of life. But how urbanization will cause harm to our ecosystem? Urban population interact to a greater extent with their environments compared to rural populations. The major environmental issues incorporated are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and the destruction of natural habitats. Urbanization notoriously evolves hand in hand with air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. How can we revive our lost ecosystem? So, let's find out the solution to this question. The objective here is to build sustainable cities that embrace improved environmental conditions and safe habitats for all urban populations. Governments should encourage sustainable use of urban resources and support an economy based on the sustainable environments, such as investment in sustainable industries, recycling and environmental campaigns, pollution management, renewable energy, green public transportation, and water recycling and reclamation. As we all, well, we can help government to revive the lost ecosystem by planting trees, cleaning up river banks, or simply giving nature space to recover, increases their benefits to society and biodiversity. Without reviving ecosystems, we cannot achieve the sustainable development goals. We all should follow 5R principle, that is refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose and recycle. So on this environment day, we should reimagine, recreate and restore our lost ecosystem. Happy Environment Day to all. Thank you.
Wow, that was truly a very insightful video. Now, let's move forward to the next category. That's the video making competition for junior college. Next, please. So we have one prize, and the prize unanimously goes to Asia Mukhtar Sheikh. Let's please have a look at her work.
आलूदगी मिटाएं, माहौल को बचाएं, हरियालियां बढ़ाएं, फल फूल खूब उगाएं, पानी फजा हवाएं ताजा इन्हें बनाएं, शहरों की गंदगी से दरियाओं को बचाएं, आओ कदम मिलाएं, कुछ काम कर दिखाएं, पाक और साफ कर दें, आलूदा सा फजाएं, जंगल नए लगाएं, फलदार पेड़ उगाएं, उजड़े हुए वनों को गुलजार फिर बनाएं, आओ दरख्त लगाएं, माहौल को बचाएं, जहरीले हर धुएं को दुनिया से हम हटाएं, आलूदगी मिटाएं, माहौल को बचाएं, माहौल हम सजाएं, माहौल को बचाएं, माहौल हम सजाएं, माहौल को बचाएं.
Congratulations, Asia. That was amazing. Can we please have the next slide? Now for the next category, that's the senior college. Our winners are, for the first prize we have Shanaz Mirza. The second prize we have Sakina Hussain Rangwala. The third prize we have Sheikh Maroon Shahid Hussain. Can we please have a look at some of their work?
Hello everybody and welcome back. So today in this video we're going to learn something which has become very serious. As you can see that it is the picture of our earth, but this picture doesn't have a proper sphere shape. Okay, we can see that the earth is melting. Now why is it so? And if the earth will melt, then there is no planet B. So please remember, there is levels so much that it has given rise to global warming. Now, what is global warming? You must be thinking this, right? In the simplest term, global warming means the temperature of the earth has increased to what it was before. So the temperature change in the last 50 years of our planet Earth has gradually increased so much. You can see it here in the picture. So because of the increase in the temperature, the climate has changed drastically. Okay, so if the temperature will increase, what will happen? The ice in the polar regions will melt, which will cause the increase in the sea level. Pollution will increase, the vegetation will be destroyed, there will be genetic diversity, there will be solar radiation, and all this, climatic change will have direct impact on the humans. So we humans are destroying our own planet with our own hands, which is very bad. Still we have time, still we can save our planet. So there are these little things that if you take care of it, it will help us to save our planet Earth. It will help us to save our Mother Earth. So there are just basic things which I have written it here. There are few more which you can do from your end. So you can turn off the lights when it is not required. You can recycle. You can plant a tree. You can use both sides of the paper. You can eat less processed food. Stop buying bottled water. Drive less, walk more. Turn off your computers at night. And there are many other things which you can do to save our planet Earth. So please try to save our Mother Earth by following the little things which we take granted for. Because remember, there is no planet B. So let us save our Mother Earth. Let us love our Mother Earth. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Shahnaz. That was a very informative video. Next, we have the jingle making competition. The jingle is usually a short and simple tune or song that is easy to remember and is used in advertising or in television or radio. Let's look at our winners for the high school category. That's grade 8 to 10. Next, please. Our first prize goes to Lesha Amol Masukar, and the second prize goes to Atharva Pankaj Kilche. Let's look at some of their work, please.
Mother Earth. Blessed to have you, O Mother. Cursed to have a life like you, no other. Blessed by life in humans, plants, and animals. Cursed by calamities, pollution, and deforestation. Received gift from you, O Mother. We treasured it for our grandchildren and other. Without earth, there is no birth. So save, preserve, and cherish our Mother Earth.
Congratulations, Lesha. You are really talented. To put up something like that is really special. For our next category, that is senior college. Next, please. The winners are, first prize goes to Manisha Jayaprakash Vishwakarma. The second prize goes to Vajgay Tejashri Jitendra. The third prize goes to Sakina Hussain Rangwala. Can you please have a look at some of their work?
Mother Earth, it's a great place to be. Mother Earth, home planet for you and me. Look after our Earth with care, cause it's a planet we all share. Humans, animals, plants, and trees. Let's live together in harmony. Mother Earth, it's a great place to be. Mother Earth, home planet for you and me. In ourselves, we must take pride. For our future, we need to strive. Be kind, it's worthwhile. Light the world up with your pride. Mother Earth, it's a great place to be. Mother Earth, home planet for you and me. It's a great place to be in peace and harmony.
Wow, that was very creatively written. Now let's look at the next category. That's the grade 12th 8th to 10th for cartoon making. Cartoon making is usually this competition they had to draw a character which tells a story of real people. It was a very fun competition actually. And now let's look at some of the winners. The first category will be grade 8 to 10. The first prize is Vedant Kalbande. The second goes to Krishna Chatterjee. The third goes to Tanvi Prashant Nalavde. Let's please have a look at some of their work.
Excellent. Very well done.
Wow, that was very, very creative. And now for the senior college category, the winners are. First prize goes to Lakshmi Prasad Boda. The second prize goes to Ananya Sharma. And the third prize goes to Ansari Naba Imtiaz Ahmed. Congratulations. Let's please have a look.
Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything.
That was very nicely put together in a small way, but I'm pretty sure it created impact on each and every one of us. Now let's look at the next category, that is for poetry and rap making. So poetry and rap making is literature based on the interplay of words and rhythm. Rap is a musical form of vocal delivery that incorporates rhyme and rhythmic speech. First category of winners for this competition are grade 8 to 10. Let's look at the winners, please. First prize, wow, the first prize is actually shared. That's how good the participants were. The first prize goes to Ria Bakshi and Sejal Bijwal. The second prize goes to Dhruvi Manwar. The third prize goes to Shravani Sardkar. Congratulations. Let's please look at some of their work.
Water restoration. First, we lost a drop, but we lost a whole river now. Many of us want this to stop, but without the knowledge of how. Our rivers are lost to the building. Let's save a drop today, a trickle tomorrow. Let's promise water restoration to weep of joy and sorrow. Let's thank ourselves for granting by our attention, otherwise, these might not be going back tomorrow.
Congratulations, winners. That was very, very beautifully written. Okay, we have one more, I think, that they want to present.
कितनी सुंदर थी धरती हमारी, कितनी सुंदर थी धरती हमारी, ना कोई विपदा, ना थी कोई महामारी. अचानक एक दिन आँख खुली, पूरे विश्व में एक ही बात चली. आन पड़ी ऐसी महामारी, आलय में बंद हुए सब सहचारी. संपूर्ण विश्व जूझ रहा कोरोना महामारी से, अर्थव्यवस्था निर्बल, गरीब बेहाल लाचारी से. कितनी सुंदर थी धरती हमारी, ना कोई विपदा, ना थी कोई महामारी. कोई कवच नहीं, कोई ढाल नहीं, हाथों में कोई तलवार नहीं, अदृश्य शत्रु भयानक है, किंतु हार हमें स्वीकार नहीं। कितनी सुंदर थी धरती हमारी, ना कोई विपदा, ना थी कोई महामारी।
Excellent. Very, very nice.
Can you please move forward to the next category? For senior college, the winners are: first prize goes to Manisha Jayaprakash Vishwakarma. The second prize goes to Namira Imran Lodia. And the third prize, we have three people that have tied. That is Tanisha Agarwal, Harshada Yadav, and Sana Khan. Can you please have a look at their work?
When simple water is quenching all my thirst, it would never be my second love but first. There is oxygen from plants in every breath I take, so I can never hate environment even by mistake. Food comes from nature, which you post online. Have you ever thanked nature before you dine? You are an environment, and environment is in you. If you pollute air and water, it will also pollute you. All gadgets are made by the elements of environment. Now what else you want to start loving environment? Crops growing in soil with the help of rain from sky. Nature gives freely without asking to whom and why. This would this world will be a beautiful place in every seasons if you love and care environment without any reason. Environment is more precious than diamond and gold. Take care of it like you are beloved without being told. Save nature if you care for future. Nature is like our mother. Like nature, there is no other.
Wow, that was very beautifully written.
Excellent. Excellent.
Our last competition was poster making competition. Here, a poster is usually a textual and graphic representation of a particular idea or thought, which are designed to be both eye-catching and informative. The first category was for grade 8 to 10. The winners are: first, Sanika Namdar; second is Anika Agarwal and Tanmay Shetty; third is Tanveer Rajesh Sawant. Congratulations. Can we please look at their work?
Saving the resources is the only way we can save our ecosystem. Very well said.
Next, for the junior college poster making, the winners are: first is Teva Firoz Ansari, second is Kumari Anjali, third is Aman Kumar. Can you please show their work? Wow, that was very creatively put together. For the last category, that is the senior college poster making competitions, the winners are: first prize goes to Sakina Hussain Rangwala. The second prize goes to Lakshmi Prasad Boda. The third prize goes to Shafak Uruj. Please show their work.
Repairing the ozone layer.
That is very, very beautifully made. It is my greatest pleasure to felicitate these passionate and supremely talented artists and poets. Hearty congratulations to those who took part in this competition and contributed in so many ways. My deep gratitude to our college who orchestrated such a wonderful event. I would also like to thank our judges for these competitions for having contributed their time and uplifted these wonderful young minds' talents.
Osha,
Further, yes,
Osha,
ma'am.
just go to the gallery view. Stop sharing the screen. We would like to see some of them who are there in the audience.
Sure,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Are there any winners here? Please switch on your videos. We would love to see you. Yes, Stev, you participated in which competition, Stev?
Video making, and actually it's tough.
Video making. How old are you, Stev?
I'm 13,
And which standard?
8th,
Eighth. Okay. And which school?
Children's Academy Group of Schools.
Oh, lovely. So congratulations. We're so proud of you that you participated and you are here and you won a prize. Excellent.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, very, very proud of you. Then who
Thank
else
you.
is here? I can see Reshma Shetty. Yeah, what's your name? You can't be Reshma. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Tanmay Shetty.
Tanmay Shetty. Okay, so you are sharing your sister's laptop or mobile?
My mom's
Okay,
like
okay. So what did you do, Tanmay?
poster making. I am the second winner, the
Very
second
good.
prize winner. Yeah, save one.
So Tanmay, even if we didn't show your poster, but I think all the posters are going to be displayed on our college website, okay? And we will put it on social media and all of you will be linked to those things, right?
Even I won second prize.
You also won second prize. I know a lot of second prize. I'm going to tell the organizers that, you know, during our break time, now when we break for lunch, I would request Rajeshri, all the entries should be played one after the other, okay?
Sure,
So that
sure.
everyone, his work is displayed. So we're very, very proud of you. I can see Anika and yes, Anika and Sakina. Yes, Anika, I want to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have also won a second prize in poster making.
Excellent, excellent. And how old are you?
13.
13. Which school?
Thakur Public.
Okay, but Thakur Public, where is Thakur Public School?
In here, Thakur Village, Kandivali.
Andivali. Okay, great. So are you aware, do you know SVT College now?
Yes, now I know, but before don't know.
Okay, great. So Anika, we want to see you back in our college. We want such creative kids to join us.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sakina, yes, we want to hear you.
Yes,
How-
ma'am.
Which category you won the prize?
I won 3 categories: video making, poster making, and a jingle.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from SVT College.
You're from SVT College. Which year and which specialization?
Food, nutrition, and dietetics, second year.
Excellent. Okay, so Madhuri is going to be very proud today. We have such talented kids here. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, and I can see Anjali here. Anjali, yeah. Yes, can you say hello to us? Which category did you win? You have to unmute, Anjali. Anjali, you have to unmute. I think you are traveling, or are you at home? Where are you?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Anjali, which category did you participate?
Poster making.
Poster making. And how old are you, Anjali? Which grade are you?
12th.
12th. Okay. And which college? Which college, Anjali?
St. Joseph Senior Secondary School.
Where is it?
Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Arey, wow, lovely. Okay, excellent. So did you like the competitions we hosted? Did you like the concept? Okay, I think she has connectivity issues.
There is lag.
Okay. So congratulations, Anjali. We are very happy that
Thank you so much, ma'am.
from Muzaffarpur you connected with us. Huh? Very, very nice. So Ria is here. Yes, Ria, which competition did you participate?
Poetry rap making.
Poetry rap making. Which prize did you get?
First prize.
Oh, excellent. Wow.
Thank
Wow.
you.
So you are in which standard, Ria? And which school?
I'm standard. Bhavan Sri Moti Nagar, Nagpur.
Okay, excellent. We love your talent.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, thank you so much for participating. So were you aware of SVT College earlier?
No, actually I wasn't, but I came to know a lot about it today.
Very good, very good. So, so tell everybody about us, and we would like to connect with all of you much more. Yeah.
Sure.
Anyone else wants to share anything? We want to see a lot of more faces. Okay, I think that was great. So a big round of applause, virtual clap for all you lovely kids. I think from 8th standard to 10th standard to first year to final year, junior college. Yeah, I think you really need a big round of applause. So very proud of each one of you, and please stay connected and look up the college website. Okay, all your work will be put up on the latest posts on the website. Go to www.svt.edu.in. Okay, the moment you'll go there, we will create single post for each one of you, if possible with your photograph. Okay, so that all of you look at it and tag it to your social media, and let everybody know that you participated in such a wonderful competition on World Environment Day and you are the prize winners. Absolutely pleasure meeting all of you and interacting with you. Thank you so much.
Yes, and their work also will be displayed, published on Raha Foundation website.
Okay, great.
Yeah, maybe Saryu ma'am, you can give your feedback about
yes. Dr. Madan, I'm truly delighted. What a wonderful way to, engage with the young and pan India. I think this is fabulous. We'll be truly proud to, put up all, the
winners entry. Yes.
The entries that have come up on our website. We'd be privileged.
In fact, what we can do is we can create a separate banner, Himani and Rajeshri, a separate banner talking about the different competitions, and we can have the links for all their work there. Yes. And if possible, you get their photographs. If their photographs can also be there,
I think that will be good. Yeah, and I think for this entire Planet B, all the events of today, we will have a separate section on our website where we can showcase it.
Yeah. So we will create a separate banner and a link to the latest post.
That's right. Yeah. Wonderful.
Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Absolute joy, Steph. So happy that you're connected. Anjali, I can still see them. Tanmay Shetty. Very good. Sakina. Okay. Great.
Sakshi, can we have the display of the slide where the participants can get the details of the contact?
Yes. So all of you can click a photograph of this slide. Okay. You can reach us. You can WhatsApp on these numbers from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, and you will definitely be reverted on those messages every day between 5 to 7 p.m. Okay, any queries with regards to the institution, with regards to the college, with regards to the courses we offer, and even not you can share this with all your other friends, relatives, especially our 11th and 12th grade children, especially the 12th grade children who are most eligible to join any of our programs, our graduate programs in the college. Okay, so through you we want to reach many more kids whom we would like to connect with. Yeah, So please keep looking at our website, www.svt.edu, right? And you'll find your work there. And during break time, I think I request Himani, Rajeshri, please continuously scroll their work so
Yes.
that people can look at it. Yeah.
Dr. Madan, we'd be happy to intern with some of these children. Yeah, whoever can come to Zawar, we'd be more than happy to have them with us.
Yes, yes.
I think they show a strong commitment to the environment. Yeah, so
absolutely, absolutely.
all the participants. Yeah, so
absolutely.
Yeah.
So all of you who participated in these competitions, we have your database,
Yeah.
and we are going to connect back with you. The college can organize things like a camp or something like that with Ra Foundation, and we can do small little activities, which relate to the environment, the Mother Earth, and show our solidarity towards it. Yeah, thank you.
We can do tree planting this rainy season.
Yes, yes. We just keep our fingers crossed that, we are out of this pandemic and our kids are just free to, move around, and we get them vaccinated.
Yeah.
I think it's just that we pray to Mother Earth to bless us now.
Absolutely.
That, we all have learned a good lesson that we have to take care of our eating, we have to take care of our lifestyle, and we have to love nature, and we have to respect our Mother Earth, right? So we just pray that we are out of this quickly. Okay, so I think
thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you Rajeshri and Himani and Vidhi and Sakshi. I think you all did and Kosha did such a wonderful job. So please take it ahead. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. And thank you all the participants for connecting with us. Further, we have a great lineup of prominent speakers for the next half of the event, that is after the break. We have seminars by stalwart figures with years of experience in environmental awareness and nature conservation. Stay right here and hope to see you in the second half of today. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Students, please note the second half will start at 2:30.
Can you put up their work, please, one by one, each category?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We'll do that.
Akansha, please stop the screen share. We'll start with the poster making competition.
Rajeshri, we can leave, no, and join back at 2:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
Last week, submission was. मैं करती हूँ ना, देखो इसका आएगा भी 1 मिनट में, इसका अनिका का देख लो, अब डिस्प्ले कर रहे हैं। अनिका अग्रवाल, दिखाओ दिखाओ अनिका का दिखाओ.
I think as you show, please name them and say which competition. It makes it a little more interesting.
Yes, ma'am. Tanmay Shetty.
Okay, that's Tanmay's work. Very nice.
This is the work of Tanveer Sawan.
Great, great, very nice.
Now we'll begin with poetry and rap making for senior college. Namira Loladia.
Would you please read it?
Yeah. Did you see me before I died? I was the last white rhino alive. You have no conscience, you are void of pride. You damage what we need to survive. The air you breathe, the food you eat, natural resources you deplete. The water's rising, the ice is sliding. The planet's clock is ticking down. Yet we just stand and look around. Politicians talk the talk, yet into disaster they just sleepwalk. The young can see their future bleak. Why are these politicians so weak? The boss is fiddling while the sun burns Mother Earth, milking her for all she's worth. From the biggest whale to the humble bee, let's all pray we never need that planet B.
Very nice.
Very nice. Excellent.
Now we have the work of Tanisha Agarwal. There is no planet B. Show me if you can see. Oh, about Mars, you'll say? This game you wanna play? Let me tell you what I think is true. Only you can help, not a technical guru. I am dying right now, will not survive long. Don't need your slogans or the songs. Help me breathe. Go sustainable, I say. Let planimals survive, don't cage or slay. The filthy water and the poisonous air is choking me. Oh, please take due care. Reuse, recycle, go green if you can. Don't use the chemicals and let plastics ban. You cut my woods and burn them up. You throw your waste and those plastic cups in the water, in the soil, or wherever you can. Go back, I'll say, and step forward with a plan of hows and whys for a healthy life, one for you and one for me to survive. Let's walk hand in hand, let's clean these roots. The junk, the negatives, let's put them on mute. I know it's late, but not late enough. We can do this. Just stand bold and tough. We'll go through this and we'll grow along. We can do this with this sustainable song.
Excellent. Excellent. Very, very nice.
This is rap, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Which category was this?
Rap making.
Rap and poetry.
Rap and poetry.
Yeah.
So I think it would have more impact if it is read in a rap format.
Right. Tanisha, excellent. We loved it.
This is the poem of Harshada Yadav. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Save your papers. Throw them in the
bin.
Bin. Oh, I'm really sorry.
You
We
can
can help.
enlarge it. You can enlarge a little bit.
साक्षी zoom करना थोड़ा.
Zoom करके पढ़ो.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Save, save, save your bottles. Throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Save, save, save your plastics. Throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Save, save, save your glass. Throw them in the bin. We can help to save the earth if we all pitch in. Save, save, save our earth. Reduce, reuse, recycle. We might be only children, but we will try. You will see. Oh. Save, save, save our planet and trees. We must start now. We can't wait. It will be too late and we can. Save this planet. It starts with you and me. Save, save, save our planet. Reduce, reuse, recycle. This is what we should do. Protect our planet, reduce our trash. Reuse containers, recycle for cash. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Yes, we can make it clean. For it's up to us to help out. We can keep Earth green.
Very nice, Namira.
Next we have poem by Sana Khan. Earth says, of all the planets, I am special. I am the Mother Earth, filled with water, air, and life. Humans, tree, bird, water animals, and wildlife. I spin and turn all year round the orbit to give you all the seasons and climate. You people use my land, air, water, and soil, but keep on filling it with litter, allowing it to spoil. I provide you air, food, and home to live. With greedy lust, you destroyed the nature I give, and plot your own nature's death. The air you fill with smoke makes my breath choke. You make my heart filled with strife by cutting down the green forests and pushing up the greenhouse gases. What was once a clean sea and pure soil is now all barren, clogged with waste and oil. How long can I stand the trouble? I start to scream and tremble. I give you all I have up to my end, but it's now all in your hands to defend and mend. Search for a solution to stop pollution. Plant a tree which makes earth pollution free. For small distance, use cycles, and for long journey, use CNG vehicles. You can perform some effective reform. Pollution affects our health, and to cure one head to waste wealth. Save nature if you care for future. Nature is like a mother. Like nature, there is no other. Mother Earth is so generous. Nature is the strongest power. Don't destroy it ever. You will be able to replenish it never. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it.
Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Very nice.
Next, we have poetry rap making from high school, grade 8 to 10. Dhruvi Manwar. Let's save the ozone layer. Let's save the ozone layer. For O3, let's not be the slayer. Who will stitch the earth's umbrella? Let's all plant trees and not just read novella. CFC's O3's greatest enemy. Let's not use it to you and me. It doesn't protect only eyes, it protects even human eyes. To protect it is each one's responsibility. Later, let's not feel guilty. It's God's architecture which protects the nature.
Very nice. Very nice.
Next, we have a poem by
Shravani.
Yeah, Shravani Saratkar.
Class 10.
Planet Pandemic. Together by staying apart. 2 years ago, we entered a sudden strangeness. A tiny little virus left us all hopeless. People cried for help and died on their way. But keep your hopes up and strong you stay. Because you believe it, it or not, to the end from the start, we are all together by staying apart. Even if you feel you have nobody, listen through your heart the humanity's melody. Time will come when we win against the enemy untold and will meet our beloved precious than gold. So, my dear friend, when you feel alone, gather some courage and become the mighty Stoke. Wow.
Very nice. Excellent. Beautiful.
Next is a cartoon making competition from senior college. Ananya Sharma's work.
Okay. Dream Planet. Wow.
Small steps can make a huge change. Wow.
Lovely. Very well done. Very well done.
Wonderfully, she has covered all minor details.
Yeah.
So neatly done. Very nice.
Next we have Ansari Naba.
Stop that drip. Eco waste. Very, very nice. No Planet B.
Next competition is cartoon making from high school, grade 8 to 10. Krishanu Chatterjee's work.
Nagpur. Okay.
Do you want to see the world outside our beautiful village? Yeah, I wanted to go outside this village from so many years. Why is there so much smoke? I can't breathe properly. It's because of these developing industries. They are the main cause of air pollution. Humans are destroying the ecosystem by ravaging natural habitats of animals. I never thought the world outside our village was so awful. See how deforestation has occurred due to urbanization. Oh, so this is the major cause of global warming? There are only a few unharmed forests left in the world. I never imagined the world outside our little village is so much polluted. So, how is it possible to restore our ecosystem? Let's spread awareness about the grave danger our world is about to face. We have to restore the ecosystem of this planet as there is no planet B for us.
Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. How well written.
Next, we have Tanvi Prashant Nalavre's work. Oh, Sakshi, there is no voice.
Yes, just a second.
Now this work will be so beautiful and wow, what a scenery! I have never seen this type of scenery before. Yay! Now this work will be so beautiful and interesting. Whoa, look at that big trees, flowers, branches, purple grasses.
Actually, just improve the video quality, go to a higher resolution, it will be better then.
This is the highest quality.
Okay.
And I also know living things get a continuous supply of water because of the water cycle. We are all use oxygen from the air for breathing and give out carbon dioxide for the plants. Plants use it for making their fruits, and because of that, they are alive. And plants are alive, so we are alive. What is this? Oh my god, there is so many trees in factories. So tremendous quantities of carbon dioxide enter the air due to the burning of fuels. Oh god. And they have removed enough trees for observation of carbon dioxide. Oh my god. It is rising continuously on the stock water is also being out from factories into the surroundings and the water resources get oh my god resources get no, I can't see this. We have to stop it. We need to be aware that we are ourselves are a part of nature. If the balance of nature is disturbed, it will adversely affect human beings too.
I think the sound was not very clear.
Yeah.
It's okay. Good work. Good work.
Next, we have a jingle making from senior college. Tejashri, human, where's my soul? Help me for repairing ozone hole. Modernization is not for best. Please try to give me some rest. Human, see that pollution. Try to get me some solution.
Very good.
Next, we have Sakina Rangwala's work. Water restoration. मत करो मुझको बर्बाद, इतना तो तुम रखो याद, प्यासे ही तुम रह जाओगे, मेरे बिना न जी पाओगे. चाहिए हम सबको सहयोग, फिर नहीं होगा पानी का दुरुपयोग.
Very good. Very nice. Short and sweet.
Next, we have jingle making from high school grade 8 to 10th. Atharva Kilcher's work.
Let's not create any more holes. It's calling out to our holes. Water reduce pollution. That's the only solution.
He tried to actually say it like a rap. Very nice. Atharva, congratulations.
Next, we have video making from senior college. Sakina Rangwala's work.
Urbanization, reviving the lost ecosystem. In urbanization, you think big because you are thinking decades ahead. A quote by Kushal Pal Singh. Let us begin by understanding what is urbanization. Urbanization is an increase in the number of people living in towns and cities. It occurs mainly because people move from rural areas areas to urban areas. Now let us look at some of the most common causes of urbanization. These include industrialization, commercialization, job opportunities, availability of transportation, migration, infrastructure facilities, etc. The incorporation of 12th schedule through the 74th Amendment Act 1992 paved the way for the formation of corporation for the development of urban areas. Various schemes such as Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission, Smart Cities Mission, etc. have been started at different time scales to enhance to living conditions in urban areas, but the desired results have not been achieved. If we think about it, what could be the effects of urbanization? Urbanization is linked to various problems such as overcrowding, development of slums, transportation, health, water and sanitation problems, unemployment, etc. With the increasing population, this trend is going to enhance and would lead to degradation of living conditions more. Various solutions to urbanization which will help us take a step closer to reviving our ecosystem. It is needed to control traffic congestion in urban region, and we must encourage people to use public transport. The government must encourage affordable housing projects and innovative solutions for housing such as multi-story buildings and clearing of illegal settlements. The government should provide funds to encourage entrepreneurship. The government should support an economy based on sustainable environments such as an investment in green infrastructure, sustainable industries, recycling, etc. Urban stakeholders must ensure all populations within the urban areas have access to adequate essential social services, namely education, health, sanitation, and clean water, technology, electricity, and food. Key stakeholders in urban areas must provide campaigns and counseling for effective medical health clinics and family planning to help reduce the high rates of population growth. An effective waste disposal and treatment policy should be formulated and implemented. Generation Z is the newest generation. If organizations want to succeed in rapidly changing demographic landscape, they must signal to Gen Zers that they too are committed to environmental and social causes. In the end, we understand that there is no planet B. Take care of the planet and the planet will take care of you. Thank you.
Very good.
Next, we have Mariam Sheikh.
Very nice. Excellent.
Next,
Steph Days?
yeah, this is Steph Day's work.
Okay. Dave, you're seeing your work.
Hi, I am Stav, and today I'll share with all of you the concept of environment. Today we will learn the definition of environment pollution, and how we can overcome it. So let's begin. So, what is environment? Environment is the surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates. Everything that you see around in nature, like a rock, a tree, sand, or many more things, make up the environment. So, in simple terms, it is anything made of nature and is not man-made. Nature is beautiful and we must protect it. But sadly, in real life, the earth isn't as it seems. Millions of years ago, there were many trees, and also there were many animals who lived. But now, in the modern world, we are killing animals for our unnecessary needs like hunting, selling artifacts, making zoos for money, and many more. Apart from killing animals, trees are being cut, land and the forest are being taken away for making places, and also garbage is there all around us as we dump garbage on the road, or factories produce the waste on the planet, which makes the planet worse. This is known as environment pollution. But by doing all these things, humanity will be affected or even wiped out. So, how do we make our environment cleaner and healthier? It's actually very easy. If you're a lumberjack, then plant more trees in your surrounding if you have cut one. With this, we will get a cleaner environment with fresher air. Raise voices or put posters in your surroundings so that people are aware of the damages caused to the environment. Use the 3 R's, that is, reuse, reduce, and recycle wastes, as they help us to accommodate less garbage every time and we can make something out of those things. Factories must purify the waste before letting it out of the factory. With this, less garbage would be observed on the roads and the environment would be healthy. Avoid things like hunting and killing animals just for money. Every species is important for the food chain, and even one of them is gone, then it would cause ecological imbalance on the planet. Every animal has lives just like you, so please stop killing them. With these, we can make a better world together for us and for the animals. Thank you.
Dave, it was very, very nice. I don't know whether you are, Steve, you are seeing your video. We all loved it.
I am in the video.
So that's why we can clap for you now that all of us have seen your video.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Next, we have Avni Bhise's video.
Hello, my name is Avni Bhise. I am in 8th standard and my school's name is Bhavans Devi Vidya Mandir, Trimurti Nagar, Nagpur, and my theme is repairing ozone hole. It acts as a shield absorbing ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The second layer, that is the stratosphere, holds the ozone layer. The ozone layer is made up of the highly reactive molecule called ozone, which contains 3 oxygen atoms. The term ozone hole refers to the depletion of protective ozone layer in the upper atmosphere over Earth's polar regions. Ozone depletion is particularly marked over the Antarctic region, resulting in the formation of a large area of thin ozone layer. The ozone layer acts as a barrier between Earth and ultraviolet radiation from the sun. However, pollution has caused the ozone layer to thin, exposing life on the Earth to dangerous radiation. The ozone layer absorbs 97 to 99% of ultraviolet light. UV rays are highly injurious to living organisms because UV rays break the chemical bond between DNA and protein molecules. It also damages DNA, which may result in mutation. It also causes aging of skin and skin cancers. We can stop depletion of ozone layer. We should avoid consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. We can also minimize the use of cars. We should not use cleaning products that are harmful to environment and to us. We can also buy local products. To halt the depletion of ozone layer, finally, countries around the world would agree to stop using ozone depleting substances. Ozone is really important to the environment, so let us protect our environment. Hereby, I conclude my video. Thank you.
Very nice. Excellent.